10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Confirmed.
IRB tracking downrange.
As you just saw, we've had successful liftoff of Rocket Lab's ELaNa 19 mission. This one's for Pickering. The next major milestone we're coming up to is Max Q, or maximum aerodynamic pressure. This is where the forces on the vehicle are at their greatest during launch. Let's stand by for the call.
Approaching maximum dynamic pressure. Max dynamic pressure.
Stage 1 propulsion is nominal. Open power pack CO2 bottles.
Coming up next are a series of events that take place in quick succession. These are MECO, or main engine cutoff, followed by Stage 1 separation, Stage 2 engine ignition, and then fairing jettison. Let's listen in.
Entering burnout detect mode.
Stage 1 main engine cutoff.
Staging.
And Stage 2 propulsion is nominal.
Stage 2 is stable.
Fairing deploy.
And that completes MECO, Stage 1 separation, second stage ignition, and fairing separation. Electron's second stage is now on its way to orbit. We'll listen in for the call that Electron is orbital at approximately 9 minutes into flight.
Altitude is 150 kilometers.
Our next milestone will be battery hot swap. One of the unique features of Electron is that our Rutherford engine uses electric pumps. These pumps are powered by batteries, but once these batteries run flat, they're just dead weight. To overcome this, we perform a hot swap, where we switch from 2 depleted batteries to a third fully charged one. We then jettison the depleted batteries, and that mass savings allows a more efficient ride to orbit. Look out for the battery jettison occurring at around T+7 minutes.
3 kilometers per second. Four kilometers per second.
Coming up on hot swap. Hot swapping. Eject.
Stage 2 propulsion nominal.
We've had successful hot swap of our batteries, and Electron is performing nominally.
5 kilometers
Just to
per second.
recap, we had successful
Copy that.
ignition,
Fail-safe
stage
disabled.
1 burn, and stage separation, and now we're following stage 2 as it continues to orbit. This burn will continue until around T plus 9 minutes, and then our kick stage will separate.
80 seconds remaining.
Copy after you saved.
Thirty seconds remaining.
We have about 30 seconds remaining in the stage 2 burn. Electron is following a good trajectory, and propulsion is nominal.
Ten seconds.
Vehicle is orbital.
Stage 2 engine shutdown.
Shut down. Transfer orbit appears nominal.
Staging.
That call confirms stage 2 engine shutdown and kick stage separation. The kick stage is now entering a coast phase for around 40 minutes before the Curie engine will ignite
Based
to
on
circularize
final
its orbit and deploy the
telemetry,
payloads.
we reached an apogee of
We're going to take a
487,
break and come back in approximately 40 minutes for the final payload deployment. In the meantime, sit back, relax, and enjoy watching Electron's path as it orbits the Earth.